Alright, so today I'm going to give you some tips on what you should know before you start a YouTube channel, or even if you're in the beginning stages like me. And before you go into this video, please don't forget to comment and like and subscribe. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, beauty, vlogs, and fitness. And since we've been under quarantine, I have been uploading every day. So let's get into this video. Tip number one is the length of your videos. Now, in the beginning of my YouTube journey, I used to only have my videos less than 5 minutes because on your analytics it tells you how long people check out your videos. So in my mind, I thought that would be like, okay, so let me put everything in the beginning, or let me just cut it off because nobody's watching my whole video. That's what I used to do. And now that I finally got monetized, that wasn't a good idea. So this is what I go by. I suggest that each of your videos be at least 12 minutes long. You know what, I have to rephrase. Each of your videos should be between 10 and 12 minutes long. Now, I know people do not watch the whole video. I learned that too. So once you do finally get monetized, if your video is not 10 minutes long, you only can put one ad on it. So if you have 10 minutes long, you can put as many as you want. It took me a few months to realize that, like, you know what I mean? Let me build it up. So my second tip is what YouTube pays for. Now let me elaborate what I mean by that. I have some content that YouTube would not put any ads on. I have some videos that they put limited ads on. So let me explain it. So I'm still learning. I just got monetized too, thank God, guys. Once you get monetized, you will see how sensitive YouTube is. So I have one video where I lifted my shirt to show you that how my weight loss journey is going, how I lost some of my back fat. I was very excited about it. So in the thumbnail, I put that video, and YouTube put this little, it's like a money sign. I'm gonna insert a picture of how it looks, and they put limited ads on that one, saying that was like basically, but I'm like, it wasn't inappropriate. Okay, but anyway, and then it's another video where I went to Vegas and I had a picture of me. Well, it was just me with a crop top and a skirt, and then in that video I had a bikini on and all that. They would not pay for that neither. They put limited or no ads on it, and it says it once you click on it, it tells you limited to no ads on it. And that's ridiculous because I feel like that video wasn't inappropriate. And also one more thing. So on this video, on the thumbnail, it was just me in a corset, and I was walking to the post office. So that's the thumbnail. And apparently I can't get paid for that one either. It's only limited to no ads. And then I looked on the description. I changed the description to see if that was it, and they still won't change it. So guys, you be mindful what you put in your video, because YouTube don't play, basically. Anything that they think is inappropriate, they won't pay you for. And that's why I try to not cuss a lot on my video. Anything, because I'm trying to see. I don't really, since I am new, I don't know how much I can, you know, push it. Because, you know, my channel is not for kids. And I specify that my channel is not for kids. And I feel like my content, like when I go to, okay, maybe my travel vlogs probably not inappropriate, but but I feel like for the most part my channel is, I don't know, you know what? Okay, I'm just gonna listen to YouTube. And so that's my second tip, guys. So basically be mindful of what you post in your video. Next tip is copyright music. And I actually just recently did a video on how to find non-copyrighted music and how to put it in your video. I'm going to tag it right here. It's gonna be right here, guys, so you can check it out. Or somewhere on this page. I'm always getting a copyright violation. I literally have a few videos right now that I cannot monetize because I have some music that is copyrighted. Now in all my intros, I usually put music in it. So a good rule of thumb is to put at least 6.5 seconds to 7. That's what I go to. But they trying to say, I don't know. It's always varies. Cause I've seen people say 10 minutes. I mean 10 seconds or, you know, below, but my rule of thumb is I do 6.5 and in between 7 for my intro. And inside the video, if I want background music, I just type in non-copyright music and I download it right there. When you have a lot of copyright violations, they can give you a strike too as well. So And another thing, what I do like to do is before I upload my video to YouTube, I put it on private or unlisted, and then I will see if YouTube has any copyright violations against me against it. And if not, I schedule it or even, you know, post it whenever I want. Okay, so my next tip is sub for sub. Now, I did a complete video on this, on how sub for sub does not work. And I'll give you the reasons why I did it for a short minute of time. And I told you guys why you shouldn't. So I'm gonna link that video as well so you guys can check it out. But I'm gonna briefly touch on it. So sub for sub, if you guys don't know what that is, you subscribe to somebody's channel and then they return the favor and they subscribe to you. Now, if you join some of these Facebook groups, they all do it. Everybody does it. It's not a good idea because YouTube is cracking down and you may lose your channel over it. And plus those people who are doing it, they don't even watch your video. They just spamming your stuff, just doing it for everybody. They just want their numbers up. So no. The reason why I did it is because I was so close to my 1,000 hours, and you know you need 1,000 hours to get monetized. So I was around like 900 subscribers. So I did it a couple of times just to help me boost it up a little bit. But I should have never did it. But yeah, so use your best judgment. But you know what, to this day I'm still in contact with some of the YouTubers. It's like only a handful that I still talk to since we did the sub for sub, and we still do share and watch other people's videos still. So that's an exception. So now this is my next suggestion. So when you first starting off with YouTube, you need to post consistently. You guys don't want to be like me. In my beginning of my journey, I was only posting about once a month, I will say. Probably even now. Sometimes I did once every 2 months. And that's because I didn't have enough content. So I'm telling you guys this. So if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, I suggest that you have at least 75 to 100 ideas to record or have videos pre-recorded, because literally you're gonna have to post consistently every week. I'll say about average 2 videos a week. If you can do more, that's perfect. So my next tip is to be very thorough in your description box and put your contact information and your social media. Now, so even though I'm a small YouTuber, companies still do reach out to me, and if my email was not active, I will lose an opportunity. I have did a few videos already on reviewing products. I suggest you guys have all the information where they can contact you just in case. But and my last tip is to be patient, guys. I know everybody says it. I'm still working on this virtue. I feel like my channel is growing. It's growing slowly, but it's growing, and I still need to work on patience. So I'm still gonna tell you guys to work on it too, because we both can work on it together. So those are it for my tips on what you should know before you start a YouTube channel or in the beginning of your stages. And I hope that my tips were helpful for you. And please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe.